Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. I have some exciting news. I'm starting another Patreon page. And I want to tell you guys a little bit about that page. It is going to be called, no, it is called Design and Wine. Y'all, I love it. I know, right? Design and Wine. Okay. Now, with this is only going to be a once a month thing. But it is going to be like a live interaction. I'm going to be doing a live video there once a month so that we can interact and craft with each other live. So around the first of the month, I'm going to list the craft that we're going to do that month. I'm also going to list the supplies that you're going to need. And then towards the end of the month, like the third, fourth week of the month, give you guys time to get supplies and everything. That's when we're going to go live and we're going to do that craft together. But guess what? We're not just designing or crafting. We're also going to have fun and design and wine. We're going to have a drink. We're all grown. We're going to have, or you know what? You don't got to. But on this end of the camera, it's gonna be some little wine, little sipping. But it's just meant purely to have fun. To get us crafting, to get us talking with each other, and I love the idea. Of course, it wasn't originally mine because some places do have like a craft and sip. I've seen that's what it's called. But y'all, I wanna be able to interact with y'all. Y'all not from here, so I figured why not put it online. So if you have any questions about it, please feel free to ask. I'm going to leave the link to that Patreon page in the description box. It's only, like I said, it's only once a month. You could do it just this one time. See if you like it. See if it's for you. I guarantee you're gonna love it though. I know I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. Yeah, okay. Babbling now, babbling. I'll keep this short. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.